Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and you join me and Riley, who's behind. Say hi.
Shalom, hello.
And we are currently on our way to Hastings for the May Day Run. Now, I've not actually done the May Day Run before, but I have been to Hastings. Riley, what about you?
No, I've avoided it because of the shit weather. Although this year it's not looking much better, but you know.
It's not actually raining, which is the main thing. Have you been Hastings before though?
No.
Fair enough. Right. As you can see, we're currently on the Dartford Bridge. It is a bit foggy, but that's not too bad. So we'll roll on the intro, and then we'll cut back to you when we're closer to Hastings. Right, so we are 5 minutes away, although I'm not actually sure where
we are
parking, because I just set the sat nav to Hastings Beach, so it'll be somewhere, I'm sure. Just follow everyone else, basically.
Oh, finally. Fucking
Context, that speed triple has been up. What? Hang on a minute. He let everyone go past, and now he's talking to someone over there. So like, what? Anyway, apart from that, everything's going well.
Fucking hell.
Right.
I think this might be busier than Shakedown.
Possibly, yeah.
No. I'm saying that is, I'm almost sure this is busier than Shakedown.
Where can we park?
Oh, at least we can get some cute couple photos, Tommy.
Oh my god. Wait, come, stop. Go, right, hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Oh, hold on. You got it. You got me down. There you go. Hopefully I don't get a section 59.
Oh, what a legend.
Fucking hell. Okay. I don't know where we're going to be able to park.
I think that's a problem we will discuss in 5 seconds.
Oh, let's let these people cross. Oh.
I don't want to lose you, I just don't want to hold the traffic up. Where do you want to go?
I don't fucking know. All the way down.
Alright, straight.
Go all the way straight. Yeah.
A few minutes later.
Or go in front of that dog unit and just go in front of me if you want. Just give me like 2 seconds to do a 1,000,000-point turn.
Now what I'll do is I'll go on the other side of this MTO.
No, just block me in, so that way someone else don't block me in so we can leave when we want to leave. I have no idea what he just said.
He's saying we can go park over there if you want where there are.
Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah, fuck that, yeah, of course we will.
I've not got hazards on, that's the only problem.
Oh, I have, don't worry. Oh, fuck yeah, we're getting VIP parking, man. Fuck yeah.
Oh, there's a bench.
Are we going behind or are we going in front? Where are we going?
Go in that gap, but there's a bench there, so I'm assuming people have deliberately not
parked there because of the bench. So yeah, fuck it.
Here.
Right, we are here. I'm doing a piece of camera again, and I don't like doing this yet, but we're doing it anyway. We're here, Riley's here, walk on. The bikes are literally just over there. So instead of doing what I did for the previous Margate videos and just walking around aimlessly, I'm basically going to walk around, have a look what's here, then film a montage so you can sort of see it a bit more like professionally and nicely, so just bimbling around like this and not much happening. So, I hope you enjoy. Cue the montage. Oh yeah. Well, what have you got there then?
Food, man. Oh, your food's out now.
Oh, it's ready!
Look at this dude.
Well, it depends. I have some chicken, please. I should have got fish now, but oh well.
Yeah, he regrets not getting the cod.
They also didn't give me my ketchup, but I got a mayonnaise, so it's fine.
I got both because I'm bougie like that.
How the hell do you... I've never opened one of these before. How do these work?
Pure good quality content right here.
Good quality
Did
content.
Tommy struggle to open the mayo packet?
Honestly, I've never used one of these before in my life.
Let's see, how long is it going to take him to figure out?
Probably a while. Oh.
He's done it. He has figured it out.
Buonissimo.
He's almost eaten it all. One chicken bite left.
The chicken is most tender and moist, Brev.
Yes,
Thank you, Brev.
No worries, Brev.
What does one think of his Fanta Lemon, Brev?
Fanta Lemon, Brev. We'll go over here.
Orange juice, because I need to be healthy.
Orange juice. Juice burst.
Ask me why I need to be healthy, Brev.
Why do you need to be healthy, Brev?
Because I've got tits, Brev.
There's nothing wrong with some titties, Brev.
No, I don't want no titties on me, Brev.
Yes, Brev.
How would one review his fish?
Banging. Very fishy.
Very fishy.
Very moist.
Very...
It's actually pretty good, to be honest. Why are you zooming in on my face, man?
I don't know. Content.
I can just see you zooming all the way in.
But yes, we have had food and it's very good. That is way overexposed. Jesus. There we go. But yeah, the food was very good.
Better overpriced though, man.
But yeah, it was okay.
It was overpriced, but not bad for the price in a sense.
It was
a tourist trap.
Mine was like 14 quid and yours was
Mine's
16
like 16 because I had cod and chips.
60p for sauces though, that is a bit of a rip-off.
Yeah, sauce, you have to pay for the sauce.
Oh well.
Right, so we're about to make a move.
Is your camera actually on?
It is on. It is indeed.
This is on.
What
This
did
is
you
on.
think, Riley?
That was alright.
I thought
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna. I thought it was gonna be like fucking chaos, but it was alright to be
it
fair.
was manageable, but trying to get a lot of the shots for the montage was a bit difficult.
Are you on, Sean?
People in the way.
Yeah, you. No, yeah, we've got random on our channel.
Oh, there are random people on the channel. Welcome to the YouTube video, everyone. It's the Southern Biker on YouTube, guys.
Fuck's sake, Tommy.
Yeah, we're
plugging yourself in.
But yeah, I've enjoyed myself.
Yeah, mate, then good.
Right, let's see how long this takes to get out of here.
Yes.
Right, where are we going? Might as well go that way, haven't we? Let's try and get out of here that way. It's gonna take fucking ages, isn't it?
This is going to take a long, long time.
Oh, them speed bumps are horrible.
I made it through. Thank you. Right, we want to go straight and then get in the right-hand lane. Straight and then right-hand lane.
You got it over there.
Yeah, we're going right here.
I can't hear you. I can hear you now.
I can also hear you guys. Hello.
Hi, who the fuck are you? Are you on, Phil? We'll just say you. Who's leading? You've got it in your thingy already. And then Mark told me to start going somewhere else. Oh, fucking hell. Beach head, isn't it? Up here. fucking beachy head. Beachy fucking head. This guy's alright for disc locks, isn't he? You know, we got 3 of them. He's only got 2 discs.
Can you hear me now, Tommy?
I can hear you now. They're at my
I can hear you as well. Hey, hello.
Hello, random people who are... I don't know who it is, but someone...
Hello, boys and girls. We're just mugging off the amount of disc locks you had on the back of your bike.
That's it, new title for the video. Ryder gets dissed for his disc locks.
Lord. It's better safe than sorry.
Yeah, true.
There's a lowrider doing lowrider things on the right.
Oh, alright.
Coming up now, it was just bouncing up and down for the sake of it.
Oh,
Sounds like that. Sounds like us.
Oh, yeah.
I like it when she bounces up and down for the sake of it. It's quite fun.
Turn left up here, on it. That's a left.
Goodbye, my beautiful darlings.
See ya.
Goodbye, lads. Oh, this is fucking funny.
3 locks.
3 locks, yep.
I'll go for 4 next time.
He's covered a full 4.
I don't think they were impressed by my beautiful darling. Goodbye.
Oh, I don't know, maybe not.